Gold rallies above 1,300 this Wednesday. What is driving the metal? Could it be election fears, the Fed? And where does the metal go from here? Who better to talk to than Todd Bubba Horowitz, host of the Bubba Show, joins us now from the CME. Bubba, good to see you again.
Danielle, it's always great to be with you.
So let's talk gold. What a day to talk about it as it jumps above 1,300. We're waiting for the Fed meeting to end this afternoon. Is this what's really driving the rally here, Bubba?
You know, I think, Daniela, I think we've seen an unbelievable rally from about 1235 all the way up over 1,300. I think what you're seeing now is really more of a short squeeze here. At the rate and speed that we're going higher, it seems to me that there's a lot of panic here because I think typically you will see traders overshoot the mark, and they were all banking on this big hawkish statement out of the Fed, and now they're not quite so sure with the election and everything else going on. So I think they're squeezing the shorts. I do believe that gold is going to head lower after the Fed. I think that we're going to see the last leg of the bear market, and then I think gold's going to be a great buy going forward because I think we start the new bull market as soon as we have this one last pullback here. I still like it, and if you're an investor, I wouldn't get worried about it, but I'm looking for a spot to buy a little bit lower than here.
Right. Well, you told me offline that the trade in gold right now is to short it.
Well, I do think that for a short-term trade here, which I am, I'm actually short gold right now. Using options, I've created a ratio back spread that allows me to collect a credit. So if we go straight up, I get to keep the teeny credit. If it goes down, I'm actually net short gold, and I get shorter as it goes down. And I do believe that it's going to get some heavy selling after the Fed announcement over the next couple of days.
And what about silver here, above $18 as we speak? What's the trade for silver right now?
Silver, I think you buy it, you hold it, and you just keep accumulating. I think silver, I think the ratio is way still too far out of whack. I think that, you know, if the need comes to be able to use this, you're going to need this silver as a better way of using a currency as well. Plus, in fact, it's an industrial metal. I think you keep buying silver until the ratio comes back into play because overall, the spread is still too far out of whack, and obviously it's too out of whack the way it was written originally.
All right, finally, Bubba, it's the countdown to the election, and next time we speak will probably be after the results come out. How do you think markets will react to the election results?
Well, I think initially either party will probably see a little bit of selling pressure, and then eventually here we're going to correct, Danielle. This is the same thing. If you go back to 2008 when Obama won, it didn't matter who won, the markets were going to rally. Now it doesn't matter who won, the markets are going to sell off here. Now it may not be right away, but these markets are going to correct 15, 20, 25, or even 30% going forward. That's going to be a help the catalyst for gold as well. We're going to see a dramatic sell-off in this market, but Trump's going to win.
Bubba, thanks so much for your thoughts today.
Thank you, Daniela.
And thank you for watching. We'll see you tomorrow on Kitco's Gold Report.